Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Osmosis coin on your Trust wallet. And in order to do that, you're going to have to enable Osmosis on your wallet. And that can be done by using the toggle at the top right corner of the screen and searching for OSMO Osmosis. Here it is. Click on Osmosis and you're shown send, receive, buy, stake. So we're going to be buying directly on our wallet. You click on buy, enter the amount you'd like to buy the Osmosis for. Minimum purchase is $30. So you simply click on $30 and that's 53.42 of the Osmosis coin. And we're going to be using transact. So you simply click on next and then you're taken to global.transact.com where you simply add your card details and give them any information that is required. And with that, you have the Osmosis directly deposited on your wallet. Another option of getting the Osmosis for cheaper is by simply minimizing and opening up a centralized exchange known as Binance. Click on Binance. And with Binance, you could simply deposit any cryptocurrency you have outside of the Osmosis, any cryptocurrency at all, or you could deposit any of your fiat tokens here on the Binance space. Once you're done depositing, you simply click on convert, and we're going to be converting our USDT. That's USDT, and in exchange for the Osmosis. So let's say we want to use 30 USDT. We're going to be giving 57 of the Osmosis instead of 53. So once you are able to convert your USDT to Osmosis, you simply click on your wallet icon, simply click on withdraw, and you're going to be searching for Osmosis, send via crypto network, and you're going to be getting the address here. You could as well, you could send the Osmosis from Binance to your Trust wallet by simply clicking on receive and copying your contract address, your wallet address, opening up Binance again, pasting this wallet address there, and it's going to on the Osmosis network. As you can see, the fee is really small, and the memo and the rest, and then you simply send the Osmosis, that's 57 of the Osmosis, directly to your Trust wallet. Okay guys, and none of that can be done without having a Binance account. So by simply using the link in the description of the video, you're going to be getting free $100 worth of trading fee rebates just by using our link. So do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.